Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another great price conscious value offering from Firebird or Ganzo. This is the FB7651-GY, and here on my channel I love to bring you a great value and new products from good performing companies, and Ganzo tools is one of them, of course. You will have in the package your pouch, your silica gel packet, so that the knife is nicely protected while in travel, and this is excellent. This is how it comes from the factory. I have done nothing to the knife, like I try to all of my knives, if they are not in customs or borrowed knives, so that you can see what you will get when you are buying it. So huge props to Ganzo. No spillage of oils nowhere. So excellent, out of the box, ready to be used. And somebody in the past mentioned here on my channel that they would love that Ganzo will bring out new models with axis lock. So long behold, we have one of the new offerings for 2019, and it is, yes, with axis lock, and long behold we have a option for mounting your deep carry pocket clip. So two big steps from the previous models, which had only one mounting options, probably always, and now they give you for all your lefties, because let's face it, axis lock, double thumb studs, this is a universal knife, so why would you be limited just one way pocket carry? If you are left-handed, then you can swap it out and you are set. Okay, so the 7651 is a medium, I say medium to large folder. The design is nicely executed. I'm not aware of any company who is producing the similar shape of the handle, so which is also a huge step up for Ganzo. They are investing in their own designs, which is props to them, and still keeping the price as low as possible. So yeah, a lot of their new offerings come in D2. This one is a step back, it is 440C, but then the pricing is back. So they are usually around $21, which is very nice. They will come in different different color variants. So you have this gray blue, or slate gray, how they call it, I would say blue, all your greens, blacks, and probably also carbon fiber version, but I did not see it, but there should be one out there, because they produce all their new models in carbon fiber. But they will be a little bit more expensive, but not that much. Okay, so let's see what are the specifications. So we have an overall length of 20 centimeters or 7.87 inches. The blade is 8.3 centimeters or 3.3 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inch. The blade width is 2.4 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The handle length is 11.5 centimeters or 4.5 inches. The handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inch. The blade steel, like I mentioned, is 440C, which is well proven and good for everyday use. You just have to sharpen it a little bit after, but that should be not a problem. The weight is 101 gram or 3.5 ounces. The handle materials are stainless steel plus G10. There should be way direction holes there, yes there are. And it has all these features, the axis lock, which is now publicly available because the patent has expired. I try to close it, but yes, you have to push it really hard. It has really hard omega springs right there, so it will have to break in. Just keep in mind that this is a completely new knife, so I have not opened it or closed it at any large amount of time. So let's see this. And this is what I love about Ganzo. You have a 20 plus dollar knife, and it comes perfectly centered, nicely sharp. What else do you need? Okay, so let's see the blade finish. I just wipe down the blade. So we have the prominent Firebird logo there, made by Ganzo, model number and blade steel. So we have a satin polish, nice deep carry. I love to see on EDC knives deep carry pocket clips. Thank you very much, Ganzo, and all those companies who are now realizing that yes, this is the way how to go, and make it from a softer metal, not heat treated steel. This will make so much easier to carry it and enjoy the knife. Okay, let's see the pocket profile. So this is how it looks inside your pocket, and yes, it is a deep carry, but a little bit will stick out, so a little bit out there. Given this is the blue version or slate gray or whatever they call it, if you are a jeans guy, you carry jeans to your work and home and to to the town, then it will be perfectly camouflaged, or you will not even notice. Yes, the pocket clip is a giveaway, but it is what it is. So thank you very much for that. Maybe one small little thing, I would probably smoothen out the portion where the blade, so the pocket clip touches the frame. But yeah, those are small things. Okay, we have a partial backspacer, really generous large hole for your lanyard. Overall, really well executed knife. Okay, so let's see some size comparisons. Firstly, we have here the 940 from Benchmade, Bug Vintage Pro, Tucson 111, Endura, Delica, and the larger filling. Okay, so if you are interested, then there are a few ways how to get this knife. I will try to link some options down below. You can also go on eBay and check out the listings there. Also, you can check out AliExpress, these sorts of websites will probably also offer you some discounts, maybe coupons, but price-wise you are looking to pay around $21. So yes, it depends on your country of origin, where you have to ship it in, if the seller is offering free shipping or not. The shipping costs could a little bit offset the price, but overall pricing should be around $21. Okay, so what else to say? In my opinion, this is yet again a really nice offering. I would love to see it in D2. Yes, I understand that maybe they tried to lower the price, because nowadays all the D2 blades are cost around $30, maybe sometimes a little bit more. It depends on the configuration of the handle scales, but maybe they just wanted to put out a new design with 440C to keep the price down. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to publish at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes I also put out hobby related videos like unboxings of all sorts of miniatures, modeling and painting stuff. So if you are interested in such things, then check out also my playlists. So thank you very much. I hope to see you soon, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.